Hello and welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you guys that Microsoft is providing an online course for the students. It will held from 21st September to the 26th September, and this is basically for the artificial intelligence, data science and augmented reality. And this is a 5 days workshop that includes some basic concepts as well as some hands-on experience, and it will also include some basically projects some machine learning model, how to deploy machine learning model on Azure platform, and how to work on a Jupyter notebook and so on. Okay, so let's take a look what is the program. So this is in a collaboration with the NESCOM and the Future Skill, supported by the GitHub and with the Microsoft, and this is not sponsored in any other platform like Inside SharePoint on. This is on the official website of the Microsoft. You can see. So how to register in this program? So I would like to tell you guys the seats are filling. So for registration you have to, there are multiple slots are there, and basically different times are there, so you have to take any time according to your convenience and just enroll you. Okay, so first, this program includes 3 modules, that is first is data science basics and introduction to Microsoft AI platform. So I would like to tell you guys 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. time slot has already taken. So if I click on this, you can see that this slot will be booked. Okay, so and the remaining is still booking. Okay, so for booking in modules, you have to select any module. In every module you have to select any time. So 21st you have to select any time, like suppose I'm going to select this one. Okay, and after that you have to fill some details, like okay, so this one is the details of your registration. So let's put your first name, last name, your email, like okay, your phone number and your job role. If you are a student, you can directly put student in the case of job role. On the company name, you can easily put not allowed, because you are a student, so there is not any company name. And country, region, from which country you belongs, and the company size. So okay, so let me check what is the company size are there. Maybe less than 100. Okay, so 1, you can, if you are a student you can select 1 or 2 or 3 and so on. It's all depend on you, how many person in your company. Okay, so after filling all the details, you just click on the register now, and an email from the Microsoft will send on your email account. You can go and access the lectures that will start from the 21st of September, and you have to register for all modules. Like that's like I show you guys how to register in modules, and the same as for the module 2, module 3, and for the respective dates. Okay, so after registration, online classes like webinars are there, so you have to attend it, and in between the webinar they will provide a link for the assessments, and if you do your assessment, there are 3 assessments for the every module, and if you clear all assessment with at least 80%, so you will get an official certificate from the Microsoft as well as NESCOM. So as you can see in assessment and certification, so post and Sean, okay, there is a signal. You will get 3 attempts to clear this assessment. Okay, let me show you guys. Each student will receive an assessment link for knowledge check and to collect participation certificate. The assessment is designed as a multiple choice question. They have 20 minutes to answer 30 questions, so time is less and the question is more. You will get 3 attempts to clear this assessment. The assessment link will be live between 28 to the so the assessment link will be live between 28th September till 10th of October. So in between these time duration you have to complete your assessment, and if you able to do so and attain 80% marks, not 80% or more max, you are able to download the Microsoft AI Workshop certification. And this is the joint certification with the Microsoft as well as NESCOM Future Skills. So this is all about this video, and I hope you, I in this short time I will cover all the details according this. So I will tell you guys, this is basically a program that includes data science, AI, and augmented reality skills, and this is basically for the freshers and also who have some basic knowledge about data science and AI. And in this module you also learn how to deploy modern on Azure platform, how to work with the cognitive APIs, what is responsible AI, etc. So this all will be clear in this AI classroom. Okay, so that's enough in this video. If you want to register, I will provide a link in the description. Just go and do registration. I will remind you guys that the slots is fully booking, and just go and enroll it. This is one of the best opportunity to learn AI free of cost from the Microsoft instructor. Okay, so thank you so much.